How to insert a table in Canva, add and adjust tables. So once you're in the editing page, go to the element section and then using the search bar, search for table. So once you search for this section will appear and just click the See All button. So by doing so, it will provide you with more options. So for this, I will be selecting the first option, which is this. So to add a row or a column, all you have to do is click these three dots located on top if you want to add a column, or these three dots beside the table if you want to add a row. So if you want to add a column, just click this icon and then click Add Column. Or you can also use this add icon to add columns. For rows, highlight and then click this icon and then click Add Row. So same thing, you can also use this add icon to add more rows. So you can adjust the size of the column by highlighting a line and then dragging it to the left or right. But if you want the columns to have equal size, so just highlight the table, then just click these three dots beside the table, and you will see this option, Size Columns Equally. Now you will see that the columns have equal sizes. Same thing if you want the rows to have equal sizes, and then click Size Rows Equally. So you can also have color on your table by clicking this icon or button which says Color, and then selecting your color. So you may choose to color the cells individually or have them all have the same color. Also, you can change the border of your table. So what you have to do is to highlight the table, and then you will see this icon which says border. So just tap this and then select your preferred border. So you can also select the border color and the border style. So you can also change the border color. So just select from any of these colors, or you can add a new color and adjust the border style. So you can select from any of these styles. Also, you can adjust the border weight. If you want to adjust a single cell, so just highlight the cell that you want to adjust and then click the border and select the border color and the border style. Another thing is that you can adjust the table spacing by highlighting your table and then clicking this table spacing icon. So you can adjust this by using this slider button. And so that is how you insert a table in Canva, add and adjust tables. Thank you and have a great day.